Today we are going to study the subject Basic Mechanical Engineering, which is in BE Semester 1, experiment number 10, aim to demonstrate VAR and air refrigerator. Introduction. A vapor absorption refrigeration system and air refrigerator are refrigeration system used for cooling applications. The VAR system uses heat energy for refrigeration, while the air refrigerator works on the reverse Brayton cycle, using air as a refrigerator. Apparatus required are VAR refrigeration setup, air refrigerator setup, compressor, blower, condenser and evaporator, pressure gauge, thermometers, measuring instruments, experimental setup. Here you can see the VAR system, which consists of absorber, evaporator, condenser, generator. Initially, the starting point will be from the evaporator, then it will go to the absorber, then to the generator and to the condenser, then again to the expansion device. Then next is the air refrigerator, in which the components are expander, evaporator, compressor, motor and heat exchanger. HE stands for heat exchanger. Experimental procedure: start the refrigeration system and allow it to reach steady condition. Observe the flow of refrigerant air through different components. Record pressure and temperature readings at important points. Study the working of absorber, condenser, evaporator and compressor. Compare the working principle of VAR and air refrigerator system. Analyze the refrigeration effect and cooling process. Conclusion: the working of air refrigeration system and air refrigerator was studied successfully. The refrigeration process and function of various components were observed and understood carefully and clearly.